Place the product on the rotary head and tighten it, and use a caliper to measure its inner diameter. Then, loosen the two knobs on the rotary head. Lift the rotary head. Tilt it. The tilting angle should expose its inner rim. Then lock it in place. Input the text content. Apply. Adjust its size according to the dimensions. Center the graphic and rotate it to the expected angle. Filling it. Then click on the laser option. Use the rotating text engraving mode for engraving. Enter the straight line. This should be the filter's measured inner diameter, such as 0.5 centimeters. Confirm. Start engraving. Engrave again. Exit.